Painted on the sky, misty taste of moonshine, teardrops in my eye, country road.
On a hot or cold day and you're looking for something to eat, come by your supermarket and get some cock-flavored soup mix. You can add it to any soups. It tastes good. For all those of you that love a good grill and good barbecue, come to your local market and pick up some gospel all-purpose rub and have a good moment. We have seasoned chicken, chicken breast, pork on the stick. And man, let me tell you, it doesn't get any better than this pork on a stick. And look, seasoned chicken quarter legs and thighs over a hot grill down there. Look at that.